Marriage and tax. What does it mean if you are married now in your personal tax season? What are the implications of being married in or out of community of property, or just being single, widowed, or divorced? SARS treats certain tax laws when it comes to marriage differently. When you're married, when it comes to certain parts of the Tax Act, you are considered one for legal purposes. Tax laws do favor married couples over unmarried couples, and you'll see, for instance, when it comes to gift giving or donations, there are certain waivers that are made when it comes to marriage. Estate duty tax is essentially a 20% tax that is applied to any estate on a deceased party. However, when you are married in or out of community of property, there are different types of applications to this. So if you're married in community of property, the 20% estate duty tax does not apply. If you're married out of community of property, there is a threshold of around 3.5 million rand, which is applicable for both parties, so up to 7 million rand. So if you exceed this cumulative 7 million rand, then the 20% applies, but there are certain strategies that you could employ when it comes to gifting again, because gifting, you are exempt from paying a 20% donations tax whether you're married in or out of community of property. It is extremely valuable to tax plan, financial plan, and do whatever you're going to be doing when it comes to whatever affects your tax together. When you're married, especially in community of property, gains and losses are shared across the marriage, and you are treated as a separate legal entity. You are essentially one separate person in accordance with the law. When it comes to individual income earned and the taxes applicable to that, it does still remain separate. However, in certain instances, certain tax liabilities can affect your spouse if you are not transparent with them about what is going on and you do not formulate perhaps a tax plan that can help carry you through. If you need help in terms of understanding what marriage and tax looks like, whether you are married or you're planning to get married, please do reach out and speak to me. Click the link in my bio, click book a consultation, and I'll be ready and willing to help you guys in terms of your joint tax strategy.